Hi everyone, I'm gonna do an unboxing from Dr.Zenovia. They gifted me this, so yay, so exciting. I've been loving their acne spot treatment. Today, look, my freaking pimple peel, like the first layer and this little one is almost gone, but look. I've been having this pimple for like 2 weeks, and I tried this piece of acne patch and it didn't really work. It made it worse, so it's taking longer to heal, like 2 to 3 weeks now. And I started to use this one because I forgot I had this. It's like a acne spot treatment, and this is working so far. And I'm not using it every day because, like I said, my skin is sensitive, and I freaked out because of this. I'm like, I don't want to mess it up and make it more, bigger and redder like how it did it before with this product. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna risk it. And then finally it started to get that freaking, what is that called, the second layer of their pimple starts to get like yellow and greenish, and it means that it's gonna starting to heal. And then after that layers heal, then it starts to peel and get smaller, if that makes sense. So yeah, basically this product made my yellow green stuff pop out, because before it was just a red big huge bump with nothing. Like, it's the first time it kind of happens to me, I think, so it was kind of weird that with this is making it heal. So obviously it's gonna take days, but it did work. The freaking yellow scaly scab removed today, and with a Q-tip I took it off. But look, it took like 3 days, a week. I forgot. I should write things down because I really forget. But this definitely works. I recommend it, and it's from Dr.Zenovia. And I still have it in the packaging. I don't know why, but I do use it. It looks like this. So this is my skin update, so I might do a review or pictures of before and after, but I don't know. So it looks like this. It's a pump, and it comes out white, and you just stab it there and you sleep on it, and then you wake up and it actually works. Finally, because I'm trying to do makeup looks, but I can't because I'm letting my skin heal. But anyways, definitely check this one out from them. I don't know the price. I might put it here. So okay, finally I'm gonna unbox this now. So it looks like this. It's a pretty heavy box, so exciting. Okay, so the first thing is this product. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. It's big. So it's the Advanced Repair Daily Defense SPF 45. Wow, I need more sunscreen because, like I said, I freaking lost my other sunscreen. I don't know where it's at, so whatever. This is pretty cool because it has a lot of SPF. Usually it's just 30. This one's 45. So, ooh, okay. So this is how it looks. I'm not used to this SPF packaging. Is usually in a bottle or in a squeezy tube, but this is pretty cool. So let me open it. It looks like a cream, face cream, like the Pond's face cream or other face creams. It doesn't look like a traditional SPF cream. So look, even the texture, it looks very thick and white for it to be SPF. I don't know. It looks like buttercream. It looks like frosting. Wow. I kind of want to eat it. But it doesn't have a strong scent, but it does have a slight scent to it. I can't tell. But their stuff is not really strong, but it's there. It's like, it has no scent, like, but it does have a scent, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain things, but yeah. I don't know if I like it, but we'll see. Oops, I messed up. Okay, see, let me put it here. It's very white. Okay, so it doesn't leave a white cast, so I'm loving that. And it's very soft. It absorbed to my skin really quickly, but it did also use a tiny bit. So, what is this? Oh wow, it says is sun protect sun protection to prevent visible darkening of scars. So if you have scars, this is gonna work for you. Wow, this is cool. So it's 100% mineral-based formula, and it provides broad spectrum protection to help minimize and prevent visible darkening of scars while providing soothing and softening skin benefits. So that's pretty cool, and it's dermatologist developed, and so that's pretty cool. It helps from the harmful UVA, UVB rays, sun damage, free radical damage, and environmental stress. So it helps for a lot of things, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so maybe I'll do a try on. I don't know, because I need to hurry up. Okay, so the next thing is the advanced retinol night repair treatment. So retinol is very good for you if you want to have very young, healthy looking skin. It's very anti-aging and it helps you age slow, but it's very dangerous to use. You can't use it with certain products, because then your skin is going to be very red and bad. It's going to react horrible for you. It feels like it's like burning your skin, kind of, I feel like. So that's why I don't use retinol. I'm scared for that to happen to me, and so I'm just going with what my esthetician told me recently. So, and I think it's been working pretty good in my skin, I guess. But yeah, I'm so curious to try retinol. So it looks like this. It's a squeezy tube. Okay, so oh yay, it's a pump. So I love when products come with pumps. So it diminishes the appearance of acne and scarring. What? Wow, okay, I didn't know retinol could do that. Maybe only this specific retinol product, I don't know. I haven't done a lot of research, but let me see. Okay, so alright, this is cool. So it's just supports cell repair and turnover. And what else? It protects your skin's barrier and the appearance of acne scars, texture and tone is visibly improved. So that's pretty cool. So alright, this is pretty cool. Okay, so I do have acne and scarring on my cheeks, but we'll see. I'm pretty scared to use it because of the retinol. Oh my god, I have to research. Okay, so and all of their stuff are cruelty free, gluten free, everything free basically. So it's pretty good if you have sensitive skin to try out their line, and their stuff are pretty nice. My skin hasn't reacted badly with their stuff, I don't think. I don't remember. So yeah, okay, the last thing, finally, there's just 3 things. Ooh, it's big. Dang, this is very heavy. Dang. Ooh. Okay, the packaging is different. It's gray. So this is the Bakuchiyo Hydrating Cleanser. I don't know how to pronounce this ingredients, but they always have this ingredient in their products. So that's pretty cool. I think it's like a calming version for retinol. I think, I'm not sure. But it's pretty good for your skin. So this hydrates and brightens your skin. So I need that because I have dry, sensitive skin. So this is pretty cool. So this is a cleanser. I don't really need cleanser because I just used the Cetaphil one. I even have 2 backups left because it's the only cleanser that my skin doesn't react badly to. Wow, it's so long and big and heavy. It feels like a glass. Wow, it's not plastic. So this one is very heavy. So it looks like this. But I like the sleek packaging. Oh cool, it comes with a little pump. It's so funny, it's so little, but this is so big and heavy. Wow. So I'm assuming it's gonna be white as well. Right? It doesn't really have a strong scent. So this is pH balancing antioxidant infused cleanser. So that's pretty cool. So it's a soap-free cleanser. I've never heard of a soap-free cleanser. That's pretty cool. So it's suitable for all skin types, so not only for dry skin. And it is infused with vitamins A, C, and E, and it removes environmental pollutants. So I live in Houston, and it's very polluted here because there's a lot of refineries here. And yeah, it's horrible for your skin, and the air you breathe in your lungs is very horrible here. If you live here, so polluted anyways, and the cars, it's so bad. But so I definitely need this product, and it helps with the excess oil and makeup while providing deep hydration and antioxidant protection. So this sounds very perfect for you if you live here, or you don't even have to live here. It's polluted everywhere, to be honest. In the US it's horrible, but anyways, so it's pretty cool. I'm so excited to use this, but like I said, I kind of want to give it away because I already have cleanser. I don't know. I'm still gonna try it out and see how it works. So this basically concludes this video. Let me see. Yeah. Do I have a little? Usually they send me a card. They didn't this time. Yeah, I guess not. But this is basically it for this video. So yeah. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.